friends, welcome back. Well, we feel like we've been go the last few weeks, and after plenty of driving and fuel prices making fast travel a little bit less appealing, we thought it was a good time to slow things down for a few days. We found this beautiful, peaceful little camp in a state forest, which we just stumbled upon by accident as we were driving past, but they are truly the best finds sometimes. But it's turned out to be just what we needed. So this week we're enjoying the slower side of life on the road. We're going to do a little bit of camp cooking, some walks with Loki, some time by the fire, and just plenty of peace and quiet in the bush. We really hope you enjoy a little slice of our camp life. Good morning. We arrived yesterday, so this morning we've woken up. It's nice and cool. We are cooking bacon and egg rolls on the campfire. We're sitting around having a coffee, so I just thought I'd show you where we are. We're in a beautiful, quiet state forest. There's no one else here. We're off a dirt road, which we've discovered so far we've heard no traffic on. It's absolutely beautiful here. So we're just having a coffee, sitting around the fire. Pretty hard to complain about this. Look at this. Bacon, eggs, Turkish bread, hot coffee, delicious. The only thing that we've discovered about this place is the flies are a bit too friendly. But this morning, it's too cool for them yet, so yeah, it's lovely. Look at this, just sitting here cooking our eggs and bacon, onion on Turkish roll. Yum. Who else puts onion on their bacon and egg rolls? Delicious. Absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, we're going to tuck into this. Bon appetit. Yeah. Hasn't been used for a very long time. Yeah. Oh, you lunatic. What are you doing? Hey? Yeah. What's that? Hubcap. As you can see, Loki's got his boots on today, and that's because this state forest is absolutely full of bindies. They are just everywhere. It's not stopping them from getting into all his fur, but we're really trying to protect his feet. So He's got his closed-in boots on, and he will have them on the whole time we're here. The bindies are terrible here. This way? Keep going, Smiley. It's a funny landscape, isn't it? For a state forest. Do you think it was somebody's land and then... Covered in bindies. He's covered in bindies. Yes, I know. You are covered in bindies.
Don't jump.
So what are you jumping at me for? We're going to do some cooking on the fire tonight. It should cool down nicely tonight, so we thought we'd have a fire. We're going to cook some steak and some chicken, you know, usual barbecue things, but let's make a damper to go with that. So do you want to have a look at what I'm doing? In this bowl here, I've got 2 cups of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 20 grams of cubed cold butter that I've just rubbed together with my fingers until it's a nice consistency and all rubbed in. Over here, ready to get the liquid part, I've got half a cup of milk and half a cup of very special ingredient. Yummy. But you can use water if you don't want to use beer. That's totally your choice there. But the best part about using beer is you get to drink it afterwards. What a bonus. Okay, it's time. I'm going to put lost all my things. I need a new fly spot.
Go to the shop and get one.
Okay.
Look how quick this fire.
We're just going to preheat the camp oven for about 10 minutes or so before we put the damper in there. Okay, so we're getting ready to do our cooking on the fire. So I'm just going to, I've got a tin of potatoes, just, you know, home brand whole potatoes. I've cut them in half, a little bit of oil, salt and pepper. And I've got, Brett's going to have a piece of steak. That's from Wandai Butcher. And this is just some marinated chicken I had in the freezer. This one has got mango and basil marinade on it. I make these myself. I can pop the recipe in there for you as well. It's really nice, that one. So mango and basil chicken, steak, potatoes, and we've got our damper, which is going to be ready to go into the camp oven really shortly. Okay, let's make some marinade. I've got 2 fresh mangoes here, which I'm just chopping up. You can use tinned mangoes if mangoes aren't in season. I've done that plenty of times. It's lovely. Bit of fresh basil because I have it, but if you don't, use dried. It's all good. Still tastes just as nice. Blitz that up a little bit till it's sort of nice and thick. And you can add a bit more stuff into this. So I'm adding half a cup of apricot jam. I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add some lemon juice in here. I want about 2 tablespoons. So I freeze my fresh, because I have a lemon tree so at home. So freezing cubes of lemon, 2 tablespoons. Garlic, measure with your heart. Use a little, use a lot. And a bit of salt and pepper as well. It also should have a bit of Dijon mustard in here, but this day I didn't have any, so I just left it out, and that's fine. Blitz that up until it's a nice marinade-y consistency, and then pour over your chicken. I've got 3 or 4 pieces in each bag here, and this amount of marinade will get you about 4 bags, but because I'm doing other marinades on this day, I just used the 2 bags and I had too much, but that's fine. It didn't matter. Then I just freeze this and just pull it out when I'm ready, and we barbecue it up. You can also put it in the oven. It's delicious. Ooh, a little bit dark. Yum, dinner is served.
Morning.
Oh, she's tough to cut through.
She's not doughy.
No. That's actually pretty good.
That's good.
Mm.
We'll cut her up.
Yeah. Delicious. Get some syrup on that. Well, another day and another walk. You know, it's been really lovely to have a few peaceful days here with no expectations, no rushing around, and just some stress-free time to ourselves. Although I have to say, after we finished this walk, we realised that Loki had lost one of his boots. So we ended up spending about 2 hours retracing our steps, looking for a black and grey boot out here in the bush. Oh, brother. We did eventually find it though, thank goodness. Anyway, we're going to leave this episode here, guys. We hope you enjoyed this little slice of camp life. Join us next week as we head to Lake Cargellico for Easter and for my 50th birthday. Have a great week, everyone. Stay safe, and we'll see you next week.
I've said it before, I'll say it again. Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. There's a jungle out there, you know. Baby girl, you need to see now. Get out the cage, cut off the leash. Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. Why be in chains when you can be free? Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. Out in the open, to the horizon, where your heart can finally breathe. Out in the open, to the horizon, baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. You gotta get out there and explore, baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. You can't keep crawling back to him no more. All he does is bring you down, down, down. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. Just like a lion